This is Armaggeddon Mka-3C Psychfalcon. What a name, by the way. The box came with a huge dent, thanks to the shipping company. The keyboard equipped with blue switch, but it is also hot-swappable, making it highly customizable. The ultimate modular mechanical gaming keyboard. Wow! On the side shows the keyboard design and keycap profile. The specification is written in all existing language in the world. And it's also compatible with most Windows operating system available today. On the back there goes a more detailed specifications of the keyboard layout, and also the instructions to replace the mechanical switch as well. To highlight some of its features, it has got a multicolored backlight. Here's the mechanical switch diagram. Go ahead, pause it if you need the full features of this keyboard. By the way, this is a product of Singapore, but it's still made in China, of course. This is brand new, bought from the official store, but no sale. Alright. It comes with 2 additional switches, and the switch puller looks highly ornamented. Here's a closer look of the switch. Oops. The marking says YH. Couldn't find any information about the switch, but here's the sound of it. This is the manual. Comes with 2 years warranty. It's in English and Indonesian. It's the shortcut function, which I'm going to demonstrate later. Let's get to the keyboard. Wait a minute. Was that me, or the keycaps came loose on its own? Never mind, it's fine. Alright, first impression. Kevlar tack keycaps, concave for better comfort, fade-proof warranty, and that's what the company claimed. It has got some kind of texture. The top case is made of plastic. I don't like what it's being written here. Looks cheap. The same goes to this one. I just wish they weren't there. Here's the side of the keyboard, and this thing just lights up. I don't know, man. Something about it makes me feel it's a cheap product. Here's the USB connections, made of rubber, 1.5 meters in length. Pretty standard. This is the back of the keyboard. There's 4 rubber padding, and it does not have any incline option. Bottom case made of plastic as well, sounded hollow. Okay, now to adjust the lighting speed, hold function and press either left or right arrow. Hold function and press either up or down to adjust the brightness. Now, the entire F row serves a shortcut function. Simply hold function and press either one of them. Go ahead, pause it if you want to see the entire shortcut function. By the way, F11 serves no function. I don't know why. Windows lock, simply hold function and press the Windows key. The Windows key will light up to indicate that it's currently being locked. And finally, there's something about this keyboard that I love, a dedicated lighting key. It's really not that important, but it's handy, isn't it? Now I'm going to show you all the lighting modes briefly. Let's do the sound test. Okay, now let's try to pull the switch out. It's a little bit hard to pull, eh? Felt like a dentist who just successfully pulling a patient's teeth. It's hot swappable but compatible with 3-pin switches only. Whew, good luck pulling those switches 87 times for those who are planning to customize this keyboard. Well, it's doable, but it's a little bit cumbersome. Now the price of this keyboard is 23 US dollar, that's around 329,000 Indonesian rupiah. Is it worth it? Well, if you're looking for a keyboard with hot swappable capability, this is definitely one of the cheapest around. However, keep in mind that your customizations is limited to 3-pin switch. You can use 5-pin, but you need to clip them one by one, which is an extra work. The keycap is Kevlar tack. I never heard anything about it. It's a lifetime fade-proof warranty, which is good. However, the build quality is not that good. There's some minor damage on the side on some of the keycaps, but thankfully all the top seems to be okay. Now the font choice is okay, I guess. However, these things written on the spacebar bothers me the most. It looks cheesy, but again, it's my opinion. Another things that bother me is there's this design flaw I discovered while taking photos of this keyboard. The screw is actually hinders the key to be fully pressed down. This will damage the keycaps in the long run. It's almost like they didn't have true inspections when designing this keyboard. The problem can be easily solved by replacing it with a flat head screw instead, but then another extra work for you, the customer. But then I really felt that with all the features that this keyboard offer and considering its price, it's really not that bad. Hot swappable RGB lights on the keys and on the side, dedicated backlight buttons, mechanical switch, fade-proof keycap, and 2 years warranty. Really not bad at all. It's just something about the design of this keyboard that didn't quite resonate with me. So that's that. Hope it helps. Bye guys!